Alright, so this is our book recommendation app. My name is Ryan Merritt, and my partner is Jamil Morris. We originally tried to record this on WebEx, but it wasn't working, so unfortunately, this is the only way that we can get it to work. The project isn't running great. Trying to run with WebEx, and the project, considering it's a pretty big file, so yeah. So when you're greeted, you first come to this welcome screen. It says welcome to the book app. You can log in. You can either log in with your email and password, or you can log in with the Google API. If you don't have an account, you're able to register. We're going to use a test example. So we're going to go test at example.com. And we're going to do the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Screen name, test. And we're going to register. It tells you in the snack bar that the registration is successful. When you log in, you do test at example.com. And you put your password in. And you could go ahead and log in. So when you first log in, it takes you to the home page. In the home page, you are able to search for books using the Google Books API. So for instance, we're going to search for Harry Potter. Alright, so as you can see Harry Potter right here and other Harry Potter books that we have. Another example that we're going to do is Divergent. Alright, you can see that we have the Divergent books right here. So I'm just going to click on a random one and I'm going to add it to my favorites. I could click on another one and it shows you the description and everything like that. I'm also going to add this one to my favorites. And then we're just going to choose another random one. So I'm just going to say SpongeBob for fun. Okay, so as you can see, this is a good book from SpongeBob. If I come over here, this is our menu bar right here. It tells you the username of whoever is logged in. You could come to your favorite section and see all the books that I added to my favorites. And then our recommendation section down here is tailored based off of whatever you added to your favorites. So if I come here, I could see books related to Divergent, SpongeBob, and whatever the other book I added was. Then if I come over to the community discussions, I could choose to start a new discussion. So I'm just going to say Divergent. Okay, you come in here, you can see who the user was created by, what date, what time, and what the name of the discussion is. You could also start another one, so we're just going to do testing. Okay, so as you can see, another one was created right here. We're going to come into this one, and we're going to say something, and we're just going to say hi. Come in here. It's a little bit finicky, so we have to come out and then come back in. And then you can see right here that it shows it right here. Alright, if I come to Divergent, you can see right here. Yo. Come right here. And then I go back in. And you can see that I reply, yo, at this time. Okay. What's another thing? You can see settings. Okay. If I come over here and I decide that I really like this book and I want to write a review, or I really hate the book, I could come over here. This book is terrible. Alright, and I'm going to give it 3 stars. And I'm going to go ahead and submit the review. You can see down here that the review is down here. I could write another review. Just kidding. Alright, and I'll give it 5 stars this time. And I could come over here and you can still see that the reviews are still right there. I could come out of it. I could still see the description and everything. And I could go back to write another review. And I could still see the previous reviews and stuff that were already written about that specific book. If I come back home and I want to change my screen name, I would come right here. You can see exactly what email is logged in. Let's just say that I'd like my name to be testing instead. I could go ahead and change my screen name. It tells you that it's updated successfully. You come to the menu and it tells you welcome, whatever your new screen name is. And I decide that I don't like that screen name anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and change it back to test. You can see it's updated and it shows you right here. And I could come over here and log out and it takes me back to my login, back to my login screen. And you can also sign in with Google. This is also going to automatically sign me in because I've already used it. And as you can see here, I am logged in, and it says Ryan M right here because I am using my Google email, which you can see is right here. Cool. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching our video, and yeah, thank you again.